In this series, I'll be building a small container home in eSwatini, Africa. The idea starts with a 6-meter container. Traveled the world, now ends up here where I grew up in eSwatini. Day 4, so we're setting out the building. We're doing it quickly because the machine's arriving now and we want the machine to dig the foundations. We don't want to be doing that by hand. So $4.90. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We're putting in some markers down so that we can use the machine to dig the foundations, and the guys are just setting out the lines for where to dig. We started digging foundations couple of days later. You can see the sun has finally come out. We had really bad mud, lots of rain. But anyway, we got some blocks delivered and we got some more stone and sand delivered, so we're all ready to start mixing concrete. And we finally got our steel delivered. So the guys have been fixing steel this morning, and yeah, hopefully this section is a little bit short. We need to dig a bit more. So we're ready to cast some foundations this afternoon, which is exciting, and then tomorrow we'll do the rest on this side. Yeah, so fingers crossed it doesn't rain again. So yeah, these are the stirrups. They get the Y10s stirrups in the foundation, the 750 wide foundation by 250 deep. Those are 9-inch blocks. We're going to use 9-inch blocks. I wanted to go rammed earth, but unfortunately I just don't have time to do it. So we've gone with blocks, which is very common here in Swaziland, eSwatini. 6-inch there. We've got some internal walls. So this is only going to be used downstairs, and then we've got a concrete floor, and then we've got timber frame upstairs. Some more stirrups. We've got 450 by 200, I think, strip footings on the internal walls for the 6-inch. Here's our steel, which is all cut to length. by the steel guys with our bending schedule. We've got small pieces, long pieces. Yeah, it's all coming together. It's exciting because once we get the foundations in, we can start laying our first. We've got 3 courses till floor level, which is 750 millimeters. Each course is 250 millimeters. I've gone with the extra course just because it gives us a little bit more. We're hitting slightly firmer ground, which is better. I was going to go 2 courses, 500s, but I decided that this is better for the job, and more durable and more. So you can see we're getting in this section. The container sits in the middle there, so we're not putting any foundations there. There's no walls that sit there, but we are putting in. Sorry, I just lost my flip-flop. So there's no walls going in there, so we're not putting any of this kind of strip footing in. What we're going to do there under the 4 corners of the container, we've already got these were done a while ago. You can see how long I've been working on this project. So these are 1.2 by 1.2 bases, and they have a, if you look here, they have a stub column. So we're going to cast a little stub column, and the containers will sit neatly on the little stub columns. So yeah, there are 4 of them, 4 bases. So what we'll do is we're gonna, because the bases overlap a little bit, that wall foundation extends a little bit, so we're gonna lay 2 courses of brick, and then we'll dig out the bases and then put the bases in, and at that point, once we've done 2 courses everywhere, we'll pull in the container and turn it onto the bases, if everything goes well. Hopefully that is going to be done next week. Today we're doing this section of foundation, and then tomorrow we'll do that other section, and then we'll see if we work on Saturday. But Saturday we've got Bushfire Festival, so I don't know if everyone knows about it. It's a big festival in Swaziland, eSwatini, and we would like to celebrate with them on Saturday, Sunday. So Monday we'll be back probably with a bit of a sore head, but if all goes well, we'll be back at it on Monday.